Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Motorola Vervebuds 200 with iPhone. So to do this we'll need to open our Bluetooth on the iPhone. Here I'm going with a notification bar. You can access it through the settings if you like. Now make sure your Bluetooth is enabled just like that. Now we can open a case with the earbuds, remove both of them, and as instruction says, they should enter pairing mode now, but as you can see they're not. So to actually enter pairing mode, we'll need to hold the power button until you hear the Motorola iconic sound. Now they might enter pairing mode right now and you should see them in the devices like I have right here, but in case you have a problem and you can't find them, you will need to perform factory reset. So turn off both of the earbuds again, hold the power key, you will hear the Motorola sound again. Now they are powered off, and to factory reset them, now hold the same buttons for about 10 seconds. Sorry, I'm gonna turn them off again because I think I failed with that. Okay, now hold it for 10 seconds. They should enter pairing mode automatically. If not, place them in a case and close it, then open it, remove them and enable them. Now we can see them. Click on the Vervebuds 200 and they are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.